This is winter weather round 2. This time we got pretty much all snow instead of just ice. This is probably the worst that I've seen. Man, this is like, it's like we're in the north somewhere. Not in Memphis. Yeah, we got some really cold, powdery snow. It is 15 degrees right now. And that was about the high today. Can you believe that? Tonight it's supposed to get down to 2. The kids were home today. They had a 5-day weekend because they were out Friday as well as Martin Luther King Day. Friday for another storm. Today for the snow last night. But the roads may still be too bad tomorrow morning, along with the really cold temperatures. I'm guessing they probably won't go tomorrow either. So 6-day vacation right after the Christmas holiday. Pretty good. How do you feel about this current situation?
I feel like I'm in Lord of the Rings in the snowy scenes.
Oh, that's kind of cool. We're liking it. Oh, there's a kitty cat. Aww. Be careful, kitty.
He's so little.
You're enjoying your how many days out of school?
6 days, including the weekend.
What on earth? Guess it pays to live in a town where there's no snow equipment. Like what?
Like feet of snow, kinda. You can kind of see the grass though.
Feet?
Feet of snow.
Oh.